When I restarted my business last year, people were genuinely shocked. Not because of what I was doing, although leaving a full-time job with no plan is shocking, but it's because of what I wasn't using. No Kartra, no expensive all-in-one platform, no £97 a month software that promises to do everything. And when I told people that, the response was always the same. But how does that actually work? And I don't get why you're not using Kartra because you love Kartra. So today I'm going to show you exactly how my business makes money every single day using tools that most people completely overlook because they've been told that they need something bigger when that's not always actually true. Here's the honest version of why I made this choice. I quit my job with no plan, no security, and no savings. So when I sat down to rebuild, I didn't have £97 a month for Kartra. I just didn't. Plus, I didn't actually need something that big right at the beginning of my business journey. So I had a choice. I could wait until I could afford all of the proper tools that the gurus tell you that you need, or I could build with what was available to me right now. So I chose to build. And what I discovered is that the tools I was told I needed were never the point. The structure was the point, the right tool at the right time. That's what actually moves a business forward. And that's exactly what I want for my clients too. Not the most expensive stack, not the one some gurus promoting because they earn an affiliate commission on it. The right stack and the right tools for where they are right now. So, right now, my business runs on four key tools. They talk to each other without me in the middle. And between them, they make sure that money can come in every single day, whether I'm working that day or not. Because as I talk about a lot on this channel, if your business is only making money when you are working, the structure isn't strong enough yet. So, the first tool I use is ManyChat. And this is where everything starts. You've probably seen those posts on Instagram or Facebook where someone says, comment the word below and I'll send it to you. And then magically in your DMs, you get that guide. That's ManyChat. The moment someone shows interest, they get a response instantly, whilst they're still paying attention, not hoping they'll come back later, not relying on me to go back on and to remember who to follow up with. The interest is caught the second it appears. Next up is MailerLite. Once somebody's in, MailerLite takes over. This is my email system, and this does two jobs. It nurtures new subscribers automatically through a welcome sequence, so people get to know me, trust me, and understand what I do without me having to write emails in real time. And it also catches interrupted purchases. So if someone starts to buy and gets distracted, a gentle reminder goes out automatically. Think of those ones that you get from online stores where it says, did you leave something in your basket? That recovery alone has paid for this tool many times over. I chose MailerLite over Kartra because I didn't need an all-in-one. I needed emails, I needed landing pages, and I needed to be able to take payments. And MailerLite is exactly that. So much less of the cost. So the next tool is Stripe. Stripe handles every transaction, but the bit most people don't set up is what happens after someone pays. The automated receipt, the onboarding trigger, the next step in their purchasing journey. When someone buys from me, Stripe fires the transaction, and then the next part of their journey begins in MailerLite without me lifting a finger. And then finally, I have Zapier. Zapier is the thing that connects all of it. This is the one that makes people's eyes light up when I explain it. It's the glue that makes all of these tools talk to each other without me in the middle. So when somebody comes through ManyChat, ManyChat collects their email. Zapier then adds them to MailerLite. So they go through my nurture sequence. That is when they get sold to. Then when somebody buys, it takes them through Stripe. And because Stripe is interlinked with MailerLite, it automatically kickstarts the next part of the journey. I'm not manually moving people between all of these systems. It just happens. And this is what automation actually means. It's not fancy software, it's just things working together properly. Now, I want to be clear and honest about something. These tools didn't just build themselves. I had to design the structure first. I had to figure out what needed to happen in what order and why. And I tend to do that with a lot of post-it notes stuck to the desk in an order. And the tools just carry it out. But this is the mistake that I see constantly. Business owners are buying tools and software before they have a strategy, before they know what they actually need these tools to do. And what you end up with is a very expensive digital graveyard. You need to build the structure first and then find the simplest tools that support it. If you want to know how to set any of these up step by step, I have tutorials on this channel for all of them. And if you've just realised your business might actually be more fragile than you thought, if your revenue is only flowing when you're pushing it forward, I've made something for you. It's a free guide called How I Make Business Every Day. It walks through the 5 quiet systems running in the background of my business. The link's below. Go get it. I've been Shelly Shulman, and this is exactly what I help business owners do. If that sounds like what you need, like this video and subscribe to the channel because I share this kind of thing every single week. I'll see you in the next video.